These are the tools I'll be using to remove the tint, heat gun, plastic flat bar, only because of the heat, so when I go to pick out the tint to start removing it, it won't burn my fingers. And I do have a razor blade, which I most likely won't need if everything goes smoothly. So I started in the top right corner here, as you can see. You just take the heat gun, heat that area. Now I only heated that for maybe about 3 minutes to get it to where it's at. Then I took the plastic flat bar and I put it right here, and yeah, you can see right here. There you go. You do something like that and you just pull it away, and then you can start using your hand and pulling and heating at the same time. About 15 minutes to get off. Now I'm just gonna put a towel down and spray some glue gun on there, let it sit, and then we'll wipe that off. I'll show you the finished product. Now it did start to tear on when I was pulling from the right, and that's because I didn't have the light fixture out. So I took the light fixture out so I can get up in there, and I wasn't heating enough. Gotta make sure that tint's hot, and this whole side just peeled off, no problem. You can see now from the outside I put a sheet to protect the fabric and the leather. I couldn't find any glue gun. I must have used it, so I'm going to use a mix of water, acetone, and soap. There's the finished product. So I think I spent about an hour on this back windshield. The reason why I did the back first, because it was the hardest. So if I can attempt and get this completed, that means the other ones will be easy. There's a little bit down here, gotta go after still. And all I did was use cloth and my plastic flat bar. It gets in there no problem. So a little bit of that and some Windex. There you go, look how clean that is. Do it yourself, save a couple $100 for them to do it at the tint shop, because they charge to take the tint out. You want to add that I just used one of these after I let the solution soak. I just scrubbed it down with this, and then it wiped off with cloth and water.